What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I'm back with a banger, guys. I promised you guys I was dropping a video on the topic of DoorDash, right? Is DoorDash worth it in 2022? Is it worth delivering for DoorDash? We're going to answer that question in just a minute. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. It's totally free, guys. Take 1 second, smash that like button, hit that thumbs up, man. It'll really help the channel grow. Is DoorDash worth it in 2022? 2022. Is it worth it this year to start? Is it worth starting right now? We're going to answer that in just a second because I have a lot to say about DoorDash and my market. If you're someone like me, always looking to make some extra cash, trying to figure out what side hustles are working, which ones aren't working, how much money you can make, is it easy to start, blah, 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 blah. But today is just all about DoorDash. And if you don't know what DoorDash is, guys, just a quick breakdown. It's a food delivery service where it allows people like myself with a vehicle to just sign up and deliver food to other people and make money delivering food. It's pretty easy. You pick up the food, you drop it off to whoever ordered it, and it's pretty straightforward. It's super easy. But like I said, is it actually worth delivering for DoorDash in 2022? Now, I'm going to be answering this question right now, getting straight to the point, but you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing my thoughts and why I think what I think and why I'm saying it, right? So, quick answer to this question: is it worth starting in 2022? DoorDash as a side hustle, full-time, part-time, however you want to do it? Yes and no, right? No and yes. So it's like, I don't know. It's an I don't know. Yes and no. Now let's talk about why it's a yes and a no, right? For someone like me who has tried DoorDash, I'm 500 plus deliveries at DoorDash for, not full time. I do it as a side hustle, but I've done a lot of orders, right? I've dealt with tons of people. I've been to tons of restaurants. I've driven tons of miles. So I'm pretty experienced in doing DoorDash. I feel comfortable doing it. I know what I'm doing, and I take it serious when I do it. But the reason why I say it's worth starting and it possibly not worth starting is because you gotta know your market, guys. You have to learn your market and the area you are going to be dashing in, right? For someone like me, I have lots of restaurants around, and at first, when I first started, DoorDash was pretty good. It was pretty hot when I was doing it. But it looks like it got oversaturated. What I mean by that is there was more drivers in my area than actual orders to put out. So I was delivering an order and I was waiting 30 minutes. Delivering order, waiting an hour. It's like when you're waiting so long, it makes it not worth it. So that's why I'm saying yes and no. But I've also seen YouTubers out there that deliver in markets where they're making $25 to $30 an hour. And I'm like, if my market was like that, wow, it would be really worth it. I could possibly do this full time if I wanted to. But I can't, guys. I can't do it in my market. It's totally not worth it to me. I don't even want to DoorDash on the side anymore because it's so bad in my market. So this is why I'm telling you, learn your market, go out, sign up for DoorDash. If you're looking to make extra money, you have a vehicle, do it, guys. It's super easy. It doesn't hurt anything. But be smart, guys. Learn your market, know what orders to take and what orders not to take. One thing DoorDash does is they provide a lot of terrible orders. You can go and watch other YouTubers. You'll see the orders they give them. People don't always also share the realness in it. And every video I've done on DoorDash, hasn't been many, I share every single order that I've done, right? Some are good, some are bad, some are but I've also shown you guys bad orders that have come in. DoorDash likes to kind of force these bad orders on you, but you do not have to accept them, guys. And that is how you're going to lose money, and that's how you're going to lose, tons of gas, and you're going to be driving everywhere for a little bit amount of money. So that is why I think DoorDash is not worth it if you have a terrible market like myself, or you have too many drivers in a city where, it's busy, but there's just so many drivers that you're not getting enough work to stay moving. It ain't gonna be worth it to you. You want to know how much your hourly rate is gonna be, right? I'm talking after fuel and all that. You want to know before fuel and after fuel. You also have to take into consideration wear and tear on your vehicle, which a lot of people don't know how to calculate. But you need to know, the wear and tear on your vehicle. You got to break down your maintenance expenses and all that stuff if you're trying to see if you're actually profitable and if it's actually worth it. A lot of people just like to dash, but they don't break down their numbers and actually see what they're making and realize, are they winning or are they losing money? But like I said, there's also people out there killing it, making 25, 30 bucks an hour. Hot markets, always moving, stacked orders, high paying orders. That is how you're gonna make your money on DoorDash. And yes, it will be worth it to start if you are in a good market. Try it first, guys. You heard it here. Try it first and then make your decision. Don't go out and quit your job or think this is gonna be a full-time job for you until you try it. Try it for a few weeks. Try it for a month, 2 months. See the consistency in it. Because like I said, it started hot for me and boom, it just crashed on me. That's how it works sometimes. So I would try to get a feel for it before you just say, hey, I want to do this. I love this. I want to be my own boss. I want to deliver food. If that's what you want to do, or if you want to do it as a side hustle, do it as a side hustle, but learn how to break down these numbers, learn your market, learn, your area, the restaurants, wait times, which restaurants not to go to, what orders to accept, the customers that tip, the ones that don't tip. You'll start to understand how these orders come in and how DoorDash pays them, the tips and everything. You'll start to get a feel for it. At the end of the day, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Like I said, I pretty much broke down everything I could. Is it worth it in 2022? Yes and no. I told you both why. Because if you're in a terrible market, it's just not worth it. It doesn't matter. You're going to have to accept every single order and you're going to lose money. I'm telling you right now, guys. You don't want to make $3, $4, $5 driving 10 miles. You don't want to do that. You're going to be making peanuts and you're going to lose money. You're also going to get a lot of wear and tear on your vehicle driving around the city and everywhere. Know what you're doing, guys. If you're gonna do it, jump in it, learn how to do it, and get a feel for it. And that's pretty much it. It's super easy to do though, so it's not hard. You literally just download the app, sign up to be a dasher. Pretty straightforward to start making money. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, turn on that bell so you're always notified when I drop a video. And that's pretty much it. I actually went out door dashing today, had a peak pay. Like $1 peak pay. I never get peak pays in my area, but it was for nothing because I literally I did 2 orders in 2 hours. Super terrible. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. In 2 hours, I was able to do 2 orders. I was waiting around for orders. DoorDash sent 1 or 2. It just wasn't busy. So they're offering these peak pays like it's very busy, but that's another thing. It's busy, but there's so many drivers that I'm not getting enough work for myself. So that's why it's not worth it for me. It may be worth it to you. I hope your market is hot. I hope you guys can make a killing if you decide to sign up with DoorDash. Until next time, stay safe. Keep getting money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.